Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a Mosappu Sambar recipe. Let's start. 1 cup of Mosappu, wash it well. Take a 1 cooker, half cup of tur dal, wash it tur dal. One chopped tomato. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 2 green chilies chopped. 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Add pinch of turmeric powder. Mosappu small pieces cutting and add to the cooker. Add to the 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 cup of water. Add you take a 4 whistle of cooker. All ingredients will be smash it well. Mosappu is very soft. Add to the water your sambar consistency. Add to the sambar powder 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Mix well again and again. Add to the salt as per your taste. Boil to the medium flame 5 minutes. Take another pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1 red chilli chopped. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add some curry leaves. Add some masala. Put into the cooker. Mix it well. And again cook it for 5 minutes in medium flame. Boil the sambar. finally ready to your Mosappu Sambar. Delicious and very tasty. Ready to serve your Mosappu Sambar. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel.